So here we're given this point P and we draw these two tangents to Q and R. So the first thing to note here is that these two triangles are congruent. And why is that? Because, well, they're both 90 degrees. This is your radius, and they also share this hypotenuse. So they're exactly one and the same thing. That means that this angle is equal to that. And that means that if you're looking at triangle ABP, and that's a 90 degrees here, because it's tangent at that point, that means that this is a isosceles triangle here. These two would be equal. Let me call that x, ax to bx. And if you're looking at this triangle, because we're given this angle AOB as 50, and if these two are equal, that's an isosceles triangle too. And that means each one of these angles is 25 and 25. Now, if you look at, let me actually change the color here. If you look at these two triangles, these are also congruent to each other. Why? Because that's 90, this is 90, and they share this hypotenuse, which means that this is 25. That's 25. So now we know that this entire angle here is 100 degrees. And if you're looking at this larger quadrilateral, that angle is 90, 90. Those add up to 180, 280. That means this angle would be 360 minus 280, which is 80. And that's the answer. Now, just to comment, this question did give me trouble. I think maybe because there are so many triangles and so many different ways to go about it, I just kind of got wrapped up in it. So in the exam, I'd probably be skipping it. At least for me, this was a difficult question. So I think this is where it's important to recognize where your strengths are, where you're not. I mean, this was a good question where it can suck up a lot of time. So you have to make that call in the exam, and I think that's important too. But to summarize, the answer is 80.